itlog. May chicken, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Chicken na may itlog. Try natin yung itlog. Masarap to. Linagyan ko ng black pepper and salt. Oh, di ba? Lunch ko. Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Malapit nang maluto. May lunch. Naluto na, guys. Kain na tayo. Chicken na may itlog sa gitna. Diba? Try natin kung masarap. Kasi yung chicken, guys, steam yan. Ayaw ko yung steam. Steam chicken. Kaya pinay ko na lang yung chicken with egg. Diba? Yummy. Kain tayo ng lunch, guys. Let's eat. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. Pa-support dyan. Bye-bye.